Hi there, welcome again. Today we'll start our second session with respect to SQL course or whatever you say, we'll accept it. Anyways, we'll start with the basic topics which are required to start your SQL course, I guess. So I've already have my own PDF created in order to tell you guys what are exactly the basic topics you want to learn, and this PDF will be available for download, and you can click on the link which is mentioned below. It is available for download. Let video for a while, so we'll see what exactly PDF says. hmm huh so what is SQL? The first thing that comes to our mind, what is SQL? What the shit it is? Well, SQL is structured query language. SQL was mainly developed by IBM and later it was standardized by NCC. SQL is a programming language which is operated on database. And as you know, database is a huge repository of data, any type of data, video, audio, records, and all the shits, whichever you can say as data will be in database. And SQL is language which is used to access the database, not to program the database, but to access the database. And accessing involves creating, deleting, updating, and all those things will come later. We'll discuss about those topics in later sessions. Right now, what you all need is like you got to know about data types, you got to know about database objects, and you got to know about sub languages of SQL. We'll see everything in a manner, one by one manner or whatever. So first, we'll get into data types. Every programming languages has the concept of data types. It's very simple. It's very good. So, well, we'll start with data types. See, data types, what do you mean by data type? Data type is like very simple. I'll explain to you right now. I've got character data type, varchar2 data type, number data type, and data type. Date. Number data type has two different types of data types with respect to versions are concerned. Say number precision scale. We'll look into those things later, but what exactly is data type? Well, data type is like, it's a type of format which you're gonna specify on the data which you're about to insert into database. Well, one might say you want to insert number data type. Another might say you want to insert alphabetic kind of data, like what's your name. You're gonna use varchar2 data type format, and character, same thing. But what is the main difference between varchar2 and character? The main difference is character can only take alphabets from A to Z. As far as varchar2 is concerned, it can take both numbers and the alphabets. Then why do we need varchar2 and number? Well, very simple. Varchar2 does not provide you these two features, precision and precision scale. That's why we are having that. We'll come to those things later, but as far as now is concerned, concentrate on those two things, which is very much required. So next is we are going for a date data type. Date, it's very simple. It's gonna fetch a date, or it means not fetch a date. It will be allowing to insert the date and some passion is concerned. But as far as now understand this, data type is exactly how you want to your it's like data type is like how you want your data to be in the database. How do you want your data to reside in the database? That's all. Okay, it's enough about data types. We'll come to database objects. Well, database objects, I'm not gonna say anything, but it is huge. But now I've Return table view, index sequence, and synonyms. Just leave it to that. We'll take it later. And another important topic, sub-languages of SQL. Well, it is data definition language, data manipulation language, transaction control language, data control language, data retrieval language. What are all these languages? What are they talking about, you might say? But this is the basic building blocks of SQL. These are the languages which define the SQL, which defines SQL in a further level. If you're able to learn these sub-languages of SQL, I damn gonna say you are perfectionist in SQL. We'll see other things. What are all required for SQL? We come for sub-languages of SQL. Well, in sub-languages of SQL, we'll first consider on DDL, that is data definition language, which is used to perform things like create table, alter table, drop table, truncate table. And what are all we are talking right now is about table database objects. We are first taking this table and we'll consider a view, we'll consider index sequence in a very ordered way. Whatever we are gonna discuss right now is everything about table. So, hi, how to create table? Well, very simple. You know the syntax. Here I've mentioned create table, table name. You gotta give the table name here in column 1, specification 1, column 1. Oh, yeah, shit. I should have mentioned column 2, specification 2, but I think you guys are smart enough to understand these things. And here I mentioned column and specification, and it means it can have 1024 columns, 1024 columns, and unlimited number of records. 1024 number of columns and unlimited number of records, virtually unlimited. I don't know about Oracle, uh, those data and all those things, but it is virtually unlimited. Well, next move to column specification types. These are the types: column and data type, column, data type, and constraint type. We'll see into those things. I have mentioned constraints: primary key, foreign key, not null, unique key. Well, we'll leave into that right now, and in today's session we'll only see how to create table first. So we're gonna create the table now. I think I can pass on. Uh, we'll click on this SQL thing. We'll enter our username. Uh, we'll enter our password. Um, it says so. So there's one more command which lets us which are all the database tables already created. So it's very simple. Select star from tab. It's gonna say these are the tables which are already created by Oracle itself, so you do not have to worry about these things. It's like I never created this table. So let's um let's create a table. So first you need to clear the screen on. You've already created the screen, so let's go and get started with this Oracle SQL Star Plus. Let's create a table. Create table, say hello. uh, I'm sorry guys. um, Create table, hello. uh, um, Say I want to have a column name, and I want to have a data type varchar 2. Say I want to have my size of data type as 10, and phone number or age, say it's number say 10. Boom, table is created now. So you want to know the structure of table, how it is created, all those things. Very simple. Use this command. Describe, say hello. because alloy is my table name. It says name is null. We'll come into constraints later, but as far as data type is concerned, it says varchar2 and number. Hope you're gonna enjoy this class, but I'm pretty sure what I want to say is maybe starting classes and sessions are boring, but make sure that you concentrate on the PDF that I've mentioned below link. You go through it. There are a lot of stuff which are available online. You can browse it through and you can watch this video. If you find it useful, you can share it. Only if you find it useful. This is my first try, so guys, help it out. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Bye.